Hey loves, welcome back. It's me, Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new. I am finally going to be changing my makeup vanity back into a workstation. I did this video about 2 years ago, I believe, and I am going right back to it again. Now that I am the president of the cheer booster board at our high school, I really do need a designated area because I have so much to keep up with the fall season, with football games, homecoming, just so much. And then of course, as many of you know, my husband and I own a home remodeling company, and I do a lot of the work from home, like emails, calls, invoices, estimates, things like that. So I am going to go ahead and turn this little corner here into a workstation. And if that's something that you're interested in watching, please grab your cup of coffee, your snack, your cup of tea, anything that you need. Now let's get started. As you know, this is long overdue. This is something that I have been trying to work on for a while. You guys know that I am overwhelmed with having so much clutter in the house, and I've been doing the best I can at decluttering my home, and actually too good where I actually injured myself because I was trying to clean out a closet, and of course, you all know I had a lot of stuff fall on top of my head and just it hurt me. But I am happy to say that the staples are finally out of my head, and I am kind of sort of getting back into my cleaning. Well, I shouldn't say my cleaning because I've been cleaning, but I'm feeling my energy. I'm getting all of my energy back, and I'm finally feeling myself. I'm no longer taking the pain medication just because you guys know it makes me drowsy. So right now it's just my hypertension medication. But yeah, I'm going to take off all of the makeup, skincare, anything that had to do with my self-care vanity area. I'm going to take that all off, and then I'm just going to place it on the bed for now. And then I am going to quickly wipe down everything, and then I will get into the few things that I am going to keep up here on my desk.
Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no. So spit it out to my face, it's okay. I've been busy working late, unrehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. So spit it out to my face, it's okay. I've been busy working late, unrehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes.
So the desk area is wiped down. I am bringing back my desktop. Many of you know I've had this in my previous videos. I've had this for a while actually. I believe I purchased it before I had Jacob. It's still compatible with all of Apple's updates, so honestly I don't need to purchase a new one, and right now it's just not a good time for me to be out purchasing electronics anyway. And I also have my laptop that I'm gonna have here on the desk as well. I'm glad that I have that because I am able to edit outside of the home, like when I'm waiting to pick up the kids from school, or if I'm out working with my husband that day, like seeing clients and I need to print out a contract. If I have my laptop and I have access to their printer, then I can do all of that when I'm outside of the home. So I kind of have the best of both worlds, where when I'm able to sit at home and work, I can, and if I'm out sitting in the car, I can work. But as far as the computers, that's what I'll have here. I'm gonna have all of my planners, which I'll need for Superior, which is the name of our company, and the planners that I'll need for Cheer. We do have a busy fall season, so I do have a planner. Now that I have my desk area, I'm gonna actually, sit here and get all of that together. But yes, you guys know I ramble, I talk a lot, so I am going to go ahead and start putting the things on the desk that I want there, and hopefully you guys like the outcome.
I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't want to get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Think open kind of new way. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Think open kind of new way. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
Now I am going to start putting together this chair. I've been having my eye on this chair for about 6 months. I kid you not, probably even longer than that. And it's always been about $89 or more, and I just could not bring myself to buy it, only because I had that other dining chair in here and it worked absolutely fine. Like, there was nothing wrong with it at all. But I would, occasionally go into Amazon and see if it was on sale, and it started going down. I think it went down to like 60, but during Amazon Prime, it was $14. I kid you not, $14. And I snatched it right up. It was $14, and I believe I had to pay like $10 for shipping, which was not an issue with me at all because I was still saving so much money. And then I had actually seen this at Ross like 2 weeks ago, and it was $109. I was like, no way am I gonna pay that, because even on Amazon it was like $80. So I'm glad that I waited, and I am so happy that I actually went on to Amazon during Amazon Prime, and that was the only thing that I had purchased during Amazon Prime. So I'm glad that I did that. I really liked the chair. It was very easy to put together. I believe in total, like not editing, it was like 12 minutes, but that's only because I was sitting there talking with the girls. They had just got home from their summer practice, and we were chit-chatting about what happened that day. But yes, I really like this chair. It is very wide. It is wider than I expected, but hey, it fits me perfectly. I am able to crisscross my legs. It's gonna be nice in the fall whenever I am sitting here editing and, you know, it's dark and gloomy outside, and I have a little cover here and I'm just editing. And then as you can see, I have already added a cinnamon spice vanilla candle to my desk area, and I'm actually using it right now that I'm sitting here, and it smells absolutely amazing. This candle warmer is so awesome. It's not burning the it's not burning, it's not warming the candle unevenly. It's off flat on the surface, and it is it's very nice. It's very nice. I really do like it, and I'm glad that I made that purchase as well, because again, you guys know that that's what I was going for, was just something cozy, comfy, relaxing, but still getting work done.
I wanted to dance with you. I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
Okay, loves, we have reached the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop a book emoji down below to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. I do appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me today while I did a makeover in this corner of my closet. I really love the way that it came out. It's simple, it is not cluttered, it does not have too much. I still have space to write down in my planners or whatever it is that I am doing on the day that I'm sitting here. But thank you all so much for coming to watch today. To all of my oldies but goodies, guys, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting my channel. Your support will never ever go unnoticed. To all of my new subscribers, thank you. I am so glad that you joined my YouTube family. And to all the ones who have watched and yet to subscribe, I tell you guys thank you as well, because you are taking time out of your day to hang out with me, and I can never give that time back. I am so happy that you are all here with me today. I hope that you all continue to enjoy the rest of your week, and I will definitely see you all again in the next one. XOXO. Love, Jessie.